Okay, here's a deal that I've had since October 24th, 2017, which I used this document that you should always use to put yourself in position on here. October 2017, and they had to buy me out. This was an agreement between the seller. The seller didn't agree, didn't follow through with the agreement, and tried to undercut me out of the deal, which it took April 26, 2019 for her to buy me out the deal. But I used these two documents, which you can head to my site and download this document free of charge. And also you get a bonus where you can download this one-page sales agreement. As you see right here, it had a 10 times return on my investment. But they tried to undercut me out of the deal. But I'll show you how to always present this once you have an agreement for the seller and the buyer with you as the buyer, where they can never undercut you. Even the real estate investor that you JV joint venture with this, you can never get cut out the deal. Which actually most investors don't use these two documents, especially this one document here. Okay, so go ahead, head to the site, download this free document. It'll be a blank document, and you can always secure your position in this deal to start getting these types of checks. I call them like a stock because they got to see you anytime. They can't kick you out of this deal if you use this type of document. Thanks for watching.